we're going to get 7x is greater than negative 14. Is that right? It's less than 21. Now this is 7 times x, so let's divide everything by 7. Negative 2 less than x less than 3. You see how the steps to solving it are exactly the same? We're just doing it multiple times because this time we have two different inequalities. It's almost like you did it twice. Alright, so x is greater than negative 2, open circle, and it's less than 3, open circle, and then you connect them. And because they're both open circles, it's going to be parentheses on both of them. It's going to be parentheses on both of them. Alright, what are we on? 8. Same process. Isolating the x. We're going to add 4 to everything. That leaves negative 12 less than or equal to 3x less than or equal to 6. Divide everything by 3. We get negative 4 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2. And then you just graph it. X is greater than or equal to negative 4, closed circle. X is less than or equal to 2, closed circle. Connect. Because they're both closed circle, they're both going to be brackets. We had negative 4 and we had 2. That's it. I think there's 2 more. Alright, subtract 1 from both sides. Negative 2 less than 2/3 x less than or equal to 4. To get rid of a fraction, we flip and multiply. So we're going to multiply everything by 3 over 2. It cancels that one out. I could have wrote it there, right? 3 over 2. But I just put it in my head and I knew that it canceled out. That was the whole point of doing that. So 1, 1. So negative 3 is less than x less than or equal to 1, 2. 2 times 3 is 6. So x is greater than negative 3, open circle. X is less than or equal to 6, closed circle. Because it's an open circle, we're going to do parentheses. Because it's a closed circle, we're going to do a bracket. This was negative 3, and this was 6. Time to go. Just kidding. Alright, last one. Doesn't matter how complicated it gets, you just keep going. Distribute first, or divide first. Let's distribute first. It's what you're used to. And then I'll erase it, and I'll do it the other way too. Alright, so negative 2 less than 2x minus 12 less than or equal to 4. Only distribute it to what's inside the parentheses. Add 12 to both sides, all 3 sides. 10 less than 2x less than or equal to 16. divide everything by 2. 5 less than x less than or equal to 8. And then graph. So x is greater than 5. No, yes. Open circle. But x is less than or equal to 8. Close circle. Connect. Open circle, close circle. 5, 8. Now if you want to finish writing it down, pause it. Because I'm going to erase this and then show you the other way to do it. Whichever way you like best is how you should do it. Right? Whichever way you like best. So if you don't want to distribute, to get rid of this 2, you divide it by 2. Divide everything by 2. Divide everything by 2. So now you have -1 less than x minus 6 less than or equal to 2. Now you could just add 6 because you got rid of the parentheses. And you get 5 less than x less than or equal to 8. Oh, that's funny. It's the same answer. Where did our, oh yeah, it's open circle on the 5, close circle on the 8, connect the line. So whether you distribute and then solve or divide by 2 to isolate the group and then solve, either way it works out to be the exact same answer. Alright, glue it in. Get ready for the practice sheet.